This is Stelios from MQube, and I'm super excited to show you our new MCP server. What does it do? What is MCP? And why is that interesting to you? So first of all, MCP means Model Context Protocol, and it's a very new and very popular way of connecting external applications to LLMs. What does that mean? I'm connected to Claude, as you can see, and here on the bottom, you can see a few different popular apps that you can now, using MCP, quickly connect to Claude. For example, Notion is here, and that means that as an LLM user, as somebody who's using Claude every day, you can now ask questions and Claude will be able to look at your own Notion board and answer your questions based on that. That's an example of an MCP application. What we're doing at MQube is we've launched the affordability calculator of MPowered as an MCP server. What does that mean? It means that if I have a mortgage-related question, if I want to know how big a loan could MPowered give me, then I could ask Claude, and Claude could go and interact with the MCP server I've given it, which is the affordability calculator, and give me back a response really quickly. So let's say that in action. Let's say I'm earning 60K a year, no kids, looking for a 250K loan for a 300K property. What's the max that MPowered can give me? Here you'll see Claude in action. So first of all, what's happened already, you can see Claude coming back, but it has already interacted with the MCP server. It has already pinged it, and it has found out what information does MPowered need, what information does this MCP server need, so that I can answer my user's query. And you can see it's come back with 4 pieces of info that it needs. What's the mortgage term? What's the committed expenditure? The credit card balances and the student loans. So let me come back to it, and I'll say it's a 25-year term, no committed expenditure or credit card balances. And I'll say plan 1 student loan. So now it will take this information and you'll see it'll repeat it back to me. And over here, it's putting together all the information that I gave it into a properly formatted payload to interact with the affordability calculator through the MCP server. So here it is. It's come back with a response, and I can find out how much I'd be able to get. Why is this important? I personally find this really exciting because it shows you what the future looks like. LLMs will be interacting with the web in the future. They already are. Most of the functionality on the web will be getting used and looked at from LLMs rather than by humans directly. And that's an example of that. Rather than going into a web page and clicking on different aspects of the form, going through the UI drop downs and going maybe a 3-4 page form. MPowered is not that long, but that's the overall standard in the web, and especially in this industry. What will be happening is that it will be the LLM acting as your representative, going out in the web, getting information for you, and reporting it back to you. LLMs will be the new browsers, will be primarily interacting with our LLMs, be that in the form of a personal assistant, a personal advisor, probably, and the LLM will be querying information from different mortgage lenders and coming back to us, the user. And we're very glad and we're very excited to be doing this.